Have you ever pondered what the future of technology holds? How does Apple fit into this vision? As we gaze into the horizon of technological advancements, two key factors emerge: augmented reality and face recognition technologies. These are not mere fragments of a sci-fi fantasy, but rather tangible realities that are reshaping the world as we know it. Apple, a name synonymous with innovation and forward thinking, has been instrumental in this shift. The tech giant has always been a step ahead, turning visions into reality and shaping the digital landscape. Their knack for creating user-friendly, intuitive technology has placed them at the forefront of this revolution. Augmented reality, once a concept of the distant future, is now a cornerstone of Apple's technological endeavors. Similarly, face recognition technology, a concept that seems so far-fetched, is now an integral part of our daily lives, thanks to Apple. Apple, a trailblazer in the tech world, has once again reshaped our technological expectations with the introduction of the Apple Vision Pro. The future, it seems, is already here. Say hello to the Apple Vision Pro, the epitome of technological advancement. This isn't just a step forward, it's a leap that takes us into a world where the boundaries between the digital and the physical begin to blur. The Apple Vision Pro boasts features that are nothing short of revolutionary. Take its Face ID, for instance. This biometric security feature is so advanced, it can recognize you even if you've decided to grow a beard or wear glasses. Then there's spatial computing, a groundbreaking feature that allows for a more immersive, interactive experience. Imagine being able to manipulate digital content as if it were a part of your physical environment. And let's not forget its powerful processing capabilities. The Apple Vision Pro doesn't just perform tasks, it blazes through them with speed and efficiency that's unmatched. With its state-of-the-art features, the Apple Vision Pro is not just a gadget, it's a glimpse into the future. How does the Apple Vision Pro stand up against its competitors? A question that's been buzzing around the tech world. Let's dive into it. The competition has been fierce, with many tech giants aiming to dominate the market with their latest gadgets. But when we look closer, the Apple Vision Pro seems to be leading the pack. Firstly, its Face ID technology is simply remarkable. While others are still grappling with improving their facial recognition, Apple has taken a leap forward with its advanced biometric technology. It's faster, more secure, and impressively accurate. Next, let's talk about processing power. The Apple Vision Pro is equipped with a beast under the hood, delivering performance that's light years ahead of its rivals. And let's not forget spatial computing. Apple has truly embraced this technology, offering a level of immersion and interaction that competitors are struggling to match. When we stack the Apple Vision Pro against its competitors, it becomes clear that Apple is setting the pace in the tech race. The future is not years away. It's here. It's now. It's the Apple Vision Pro. This device is more than just a piece of technology. It's a gateway to a world of endless possibilities. With the Apple Vision Pro, you can unlock a new dimension of interactive experiences right from the comfort of your own home. Imagine being able to explore the cosmos, dive into the deepest oceans, or walk through historical landmarks, all without leaving your living room. Its cutting-edge spatial computing technology brings your surroundings to life, while the revolutionary Face ID ensures secure and personalized user experience. Staying ahead of the curve has never been easier. The Apple Vision Pro isn't just a step into the future, it's a giant leap. It's time to embrace the innovative technology that Apple has to offer. Don't just dream about the future, live it. Learn more about the Apple Vision Pro today.